All right, so we got to clean this, right? I'm going to show you how to do it. See that bolt right there? You just got to loosen that, and then we can go ahead and clean all that mess out of there. All right, I'm thinking that this is the one I need. And I just got to get in there, twist that bad boy off. All right. Lefty loosey, right? So now it's loose. I can just go ahead and unscrew it. Just like that, right? And it's also, I think, got a, there we go. Now we can go ahead and lift this whole thing off. Comes right off of there. There we go. Before you do that, you might want to take the battery out so you don't cut yourself. But as you can see, it's kind of messy, so we need to clean that up. Kind of clean it off of here a little bit. Now all you got to do is I got to get this off. Whoops. Just like that. Then we just got to get that out of there. I think I'll just pull it out with my fingers. Follow me? Got a little brush here. I can hold it here and just kind of brush it off. Get all that junk out of there. There we go. Done. Now we got to put this back on there. Follow me? So I get all those pieces off of it. Now, set it right on there like that. Not want to go in there, does it? All right, so you want to make sure that your blade is set in there like that, right? And then this is going to come over here like this, right there. And then we've just got to get it on this post right there. There we go. So now this is all set in there. You see? I guess I could smack it down a little bit. Hang on. There we go. So now it's in there good. Right now all we got to do is put our piece back on. Let me show you. So I just smooshed it on that post right there. And that's in the center. And then this wraps around the chain. You can see how it turns here. Just like that. That's it right there. Looks like we got it pretty clean. All right, now we just got to put a little piece on, right? But as you can see, I need to clean all that mess out of there. So we got to kind of smush it all out. I'm just going to, look, right there. Got to get it all out of there. So I'm just going to smush it out of there. There it is. I'm just going to rinse it off over here. I'm just going to rinse it in the water. Clean this thing out too. Right, so that looks pretty clean, right? Right now, let's bring her back over here. There's the pile of gook that was in it. Set her down here, just like that. There's our little thing. All right, so now this. Okay, so now we've got it on there, right? So now I've got to get this back on there like that. And then I'm just gonna push that down, put this nut on, just like that. Then we're going to get our ratchet, switch it, get her on there, tighten her down. All right, now the question is, let's see if it's too tight. Okay, I think we're good. Take this off. And we're gonna put this back on. And we're gonna put it away. It's done. Stick it in here. Put that in there. Bam, ready to go. Set that down. Finito.